pool. Yikes. All right, let's talk about our weather. It's definitely been wet out there today.
Yeah, and we're going to continue to see that, and also some breezy to windy conditions as we go through really the first half of Sunday. So it looks like it's going to stick around for a little bit. But of course, we're seeing the worst along the coast and the northwest interior. So let's get over and show you what we're seeing. But I want to talk about the temperatures too, because we told you it was going to be much cooler today. And you can see we're seeing some upper 40s in places, lower 50s. Some of you might even reach the mid 50s, but that's pretty much where you will top out. Notice how much cooler we are than this time yesterday. 18 degrees cooler in Shelton, Chehalis, 16 in Bremerton, Olympia, Puyallup, 12 in Seattle. You get the idea. Definitely cooler today. So what about the next few hours? It's time for Fido's forecast to get you through that. And of course, everyone wants to do what Hawkeye is doing here on a day like today. How cute is that? He is yawning. I love it. I think I have that blanket too, actually. Hawkeye, well, on your walk tonight, you might get a couple raindrops. You'll definitely want to keep the jacket if you're going to be walking your dogs tonight. Temperatures are going to stay pretty much in the lower 50s. Again, some of you are in the upper 40s. We're kind of going to stay where consistent, I guess I should say, as we go to the next couple of hours. So not a huge drop in temperatures, but we are looking rainy and we are looking blustery. And I say blustery because look at some of these gusts we had earlier today. Ilwaco, 52-mile-per-hour gusts earlier, Hoquiam as well, and Oak Harbor and Whidbey Island. Wow, if I can get that out. Right now, though, you can see breezy at best around Puget Sound. Everywhere else is where we're seeing the increased wind speeds. And we told you the northwest interior as well as the coast, and actually Forks right now sustained winds not too bad at 13 miles per hour, but I'm sure they'll see a gust sooner rather than later. But you get the idea. Oak Harbor right now 26-mile-per-hour sustained winds, also in Bellingham, but 12 right now in Seattle. So it just depends on where you are, but again, we're expecting more along the coast and more along the northwest interior in terms of enhanced wind speeds. So you can see this center of circulation right here as it's just pushing that front towards us. Those lightning strikes are not near us. That is in eastern Washington and Oregon. However, we can't completely rule out a couple thunderstorms on the backside of this as cooler air moves aloft, and that would be closer to the coast or offshore. So just something to keep in mind. But you can see right now winds picking up again, northwest interior along the coast, breezy at best around Puget Sound, and we keep rain in the forecast as I mentioned. So keep the rain gear handy. Even as we get into tomorrow morning, a few showers at times, and then we'll start to see some clearing as we go into Sunday evening. And that's going to make for a beautiful Monday. Here's a look at the next 7 days. So we're looking at lower 50s for tomorrow, but then boom, changes once again as we go into Monday. Temperatures in the 60s with partly sunny skies. So we just have to get through today, get through the first half of tomorrow, and then things are looking good.
All right. Sounds good. Thanks, Jordan.